Hello everyone, I'm Alicia. Welcome to my Beautiful Nights channel. For this video, I'm going to open up another curated bead box. This is a $20 monthly subscription and I have a coupon code for you to get 35% off your first box. Use code AGERM35. I'm going to put a link for this box down below in the description bar, and I'm also going to put the coupon code down there. Right, so let's see here. Ponds and Lilypads, that's the name. And this looks really beautiful. I love the dragonfly. These look like gemstones. I love those. And this looks like 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 strands of gemstone beads. These gold beads look really awesome. And then we have some crystals there. So let's open it up, because I swear every time I open this box, it is better inside than on the picture. So here's the list of what's in the box. And remember, you can reorder these items on dollarbead.com. Okay. Oh my gosh, I thought these were going to be 4mm, and holy cow, there is a lot. Look at that. Don't they look like they're 4mm? They're 6. Okay. Oh my gosh, the dragonfly is so pretty. Okay, so here is the kit that we get every time of findings. Wow, this is so pretty. It's bigger than I thought it was going to be. It's really gorgeous. I would buy this in a heartbeat. That is so pretty. But it kind of looks like a skeleton, doesn't it? It kind of looks like it's dead. Dragonfly skeleton. Have you ever had a dragonfly in your house? They're so scary. They're really loud, and they always like to land on the ceiling, and I can't get them down. This is pretty and green. I like that. These are 6mm. Oh, those are cool. Looks like sea glass. That might be a 10. This one's 8. That's pretty. I think that's 10. This is gorgeous. What is this? Is this going to be adventuring? It's really pretty. It has all these neat little, what I call it, inside. They're like, I don't know, it looks like it's prettier than adventuring to me. It's not solid. Okay, there's 8 again. That's cool. I've never seen that color. And this looks like gemstone too. That's also very pretty. Okay, that's a 10 now. This is 8. Oh, those are cute. Okay. And these make me think of the ocean. It looks like a snail. Alright. Let's see. How would I do? 10. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 10mm. Alright, so that's these 4 here. 10mm malachite gemstone bead. It's probably going to be this, because this is the only one that is gemstone that is 10mm. Stop dropping it. 7 to 8 inch string. It is gorgeous. What a nice shade of green. It looks like really expensive jade to me. It's very pretty. I like the lines and stuff in it. I've just always been a huge fan of detail. And then 10mm green sea beach style glass bead, 6 inch string. That's this. Looks like sea glass. It is so hard to find sea glass where I live. I'm always on a hunt for it, but it is hard to find. Okay, and then this one. 10mm pastel blue gemstone style glass bead. Yeah, the next one's a drizzle bead. 6 inch string. This is pretty. It looks like water. It makes me think of water. Very nice. And this is such a unique shade of blue. 10mm drizzle deep turquoise glass bead, 6 inch string. This is pretty. It's kind of metallic-y blue, isn't it? Look at that one. Yeah, and that one. They're beautiful. And then 8mm. There's going to be 3 strands. First is white semi-matte glass bead. This. So this bead is a naked bead. This is, well, a lot of these painted beads looks like underneath. It's either matte clear like this, or it's white underneath. Like this here, underneath this blue, is this matte clear bead. But it's crackled. So the crackle's inside of the bead. But this is matte. And I want to use this with colored cord on the inside because, I don't know, I've always just thought that clear beads were beautiful, especially check fire polish from Crystal, and then when I go to use them, it's like, it's not very exciting. But like to put a colored cord on the inside would make that look a lot more interesting. This is a long strand. How long is this? 10-inch string. 8mm green gemstone bead. 7 through 5. Is it going to be this? Yes. Green gemstone bead. So it doesn't say aventurine. Maybe this one's aventurine. This is gorgeous. I wish I said what it was, because I love the black in it. I think it's really pretty. I would like to make a stretchy with that. It's gorgeous. It might be one of my favorite strands here. And then 8mm beige gemstone bead. 7 through 8-inch string. I like this. I don't know if a lot of people are like, this is an ugly strand, but I think this is really cool. I guess because it kind of makes me think of beige check glass. I think it's really pretty. It's so natural looking. Also, it makes you think of the sand on the beach. It's totally got beach vibes. Now, I finished 8 and we're going to 6. 6mm light green marble style glass bead. What? Oh, that's this one. Yes, 16 inches. This is so cute. I love purple and green together. Also blue and green. But I don't know why, I just really like purple and green together. This is really pretty. So this bead, now I said underneath there'll be either clear or white. This one's actually milky, or what's it also called? What's the name? Not moonstone. Oh, I can't remember the name. Maybe I'll throw it up on the screen if I remember it. Anyways, it's like a milky white, right? And then they put this marbled paint over it, and it just looks really gorgeous. It is beautiful. It's really gorgeous. Okay, I like that one a lot. Last strand, 6mm green aventurine gemstone bead. 6 through 8-inch string. This is cute, but it's not as cute as this one. I love this one. I also really like this one. Let's see all 3 of them together. Oh, but look at how it goes from light to dark. I like that a lot. Yeah, they look awesome together. I like that graduated color and size. Alright, so this is the aventurine. Okay, we're going to baggies now. Approximate 1 ounce by 6mm blue electroplate bicone glass beads. 1 ounce? This is what 1 ounce of bicones looks like? This is a lot. This is a lot of beads. There's a little wire in here. Look at that. They have large holes, don't they? Yeah, look at the hole. And I have to say, they're not too bad in quality. I've seen much worse. I've seen completely cut flat across. Sharp edges that would cut my thread. I don't know if I would use these for stitching though. I have to pick through them, because if you look, see how there's some unevenness? This side here is wider and this side over here is more narrow, so I would pick through them and pick the best ones out if I were to use those in stitching. Because there's some projects that I make where I have to have like perfectly shaped beads in order to stitch it up. But there are also a lot of projects that, you know, it doesn't have to be perfectly shaped bead. Okay, that was a lot. That's mind-blowing how much is in that bag. Okay, I'm trying to open this. What's this next? 26 by 6 millimeter gold metal spacer bead. 6 beads. No, that is not. This is also awesome. These are really cool. Oh my gosh. There's this one snail shell. It's extremely long, like this. It's twisted. I don't know what it's called, but that's what these beads make me think of. They're very nautical, beachy looking. It actually is designed like a paper bead though. You see how it's kind of wrapped like a paper bead? Those are cool. I really love those. Okay. After that is a 20 by 8 millimeter green adventuring gold link 4 links. These? Oh, these are adorable. Those are cute. These two here are very close to matching. I love that color. Okay, and then dragonfly. Yep, it's 54 by 50 millimeters. Dragonfly green patina metal pendant. So 25 millimeters is 1 inch. So it's about 2 inches long by 2 inches wide. Just a little over 2. Doesn't it kind of look like a skeleton of a dragonfly? It is so gorgeous. I kind of wonder if I can put little crystals in the tips of his wings. Because there's like a big, well not big, but like a big enough hole. And maybe even down his back. But I don't know if I'd want to do that. I'd probably leave him just as he is. It's really gorgeous. Okay, now I'm going to this here. But I should probably straighten out my beads. Alright, this is the kit. Comes with every box, in case you're new to this. It comes with everything you need to make jewelry except for tools. It has lobster claw clasps, crimp beads, and remember, if you use crimp beads to flatten them, don't use a crimping tool with these because they will crack. I know this out of experience. And this here is jump rings. They always have really nice quality jump rings. They're thick gauge. It's like 18 gauge. So they're nice and chunky. And also I love using these as spacers instead of just for connections. And this here, ear wires. Elastic cord. This is pretty strong stuff. It has not broke on me yet. And they have thick gauge head pins, bead trimming wire, and memory wire. Alright, so here's everything we are getting in this month's curated bead box. I hope you guys enjoyed the opening. I'm going to put the link for this box down below in the description bar, along with the coupon code to get you 35% off your first box. And so the box is $20 a month, so 35% off of that is pretty cheap and affordable. So this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed the opening. Please like this video, leave me a comment, subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. Make sure you click the bell button so that you get notified whenever I upload new videos, and follow me on my social media sites. I'm on Instagram, Pinterest, and Twitter. Thanks for watching.